Hi there! Today we have in the house the newly launched Nokia TV. Now this is a 55-inch 4K Android TV with 60-watt sound output powered by JBL speakers. On paper it takes everything you look for in a smart TV. Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, HDR, all the apps that you can think of. In fact, it has some of the features that many smart TVs lack. Like mirroring Android phones is something you've seen on many TVs, but this one also mirrors iPhone. Then my favorite, two-way Bluetooth. So you can use the TV's powerful speakers as Bluetooth speakers to play music from your phone. That's really cool. Now let's see how it stacks up in day-to-day use. So let's quickly unbox it. We'll see what we get inside and explore it even deeper. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So here is the retail packaging. You can see 55-inch written on the top left, Chromecast, Dolby Vision, Atmos at the bottom left, sound by JBL at the bottom right. Fun thing, the image of the TV on the front is actually showing the screen, while the back of the box is actually showing the image of the TV's back, letting you know which side is front and which side is back. On the side are some manufacturing details, the place of manufacturing, contents of the box, and the MRP, which is 62,990. Alright, let's open the box. So here are the contents of the box, starting with the quick start guide and user manual. Then you have two stands that come with silver powder coating, looks really nice and premium, and the best part is they're made of metal. And I really like this rod straight design, so once I believe they're fixed, they should look really cool. Can't wait to fix them and see. At the bottom is a rubber silicone at the base, so it should get a good grip on the table. Then you have 4 screws to mount those stands. Then here's a power cable. Then here's an AV composite adapter for set-top boxes that lack an HDMI port. Here's the remote. Now this is a combination of Bluetooth and infrared. Pretty minimalistic design and light. You have the power button, you have the home button, D-pad to navigate, back button, Google Assistant button, volume button, then your shortcut keys for Netflix, YouTube, Prime Videos and Google Play. I would have loved to see Disney Hotstar instead, but never mind. Luckily, we also get 2 AAA batteries provided in the packaging. It's nice, and the best part is you also get a wall mount bracket included with the screws to mount the wall bracket, which is so good. I really appreciate when companies take that extra effort of providing the basic things that every TV should come along. It's really good. Alright, fix the stands, place the TV on the table. Now there is a plastic screen protector on the display to prevent any sort of damage and scratches. Let's remove it. So first thing I loved are the stands. They look really amazing. The design truly stands out. Now the bezels are made of plastic and have this nice glossy finish. They're extremely thin, bezel-less design I can say, and they almost blend in with the panel. The lower bezel has this nice raw texture finish with the Nokia branding. Powered by JBL is printed on the left, while Harman on the right. Now when you think 55-inch, we know it's a big TV. But how big is the question? Well, here are the dimensions of the TV. I suggest you check for the space before you make your purchase. Alright, let's have a look at the back. Solid and very well built. The power port is towards the left, while all the rest of the other ports are on the right, which technically makes it a lot more easier to reach even if the TV is wall mounted. We have one USB 2.0, one USB 3.0, LAN, antenna, optical, 3 HDMI ports, 3.5 headphone jack and AV input. So HDMI 2 port supports eARC, so you can connect your home theater system or soundbar for audio out, but remember that you'll have to turn on eARC in the audio settings. Also worth mentioning, it's good to see a USB 3 port, which means much faster read speed while playing 4K videos, so loading and playing content from your pen drive will be a lot more snappier. Alright, let's quickly have a glance at the specifications. So Realtek quad-core processor, we get 2 GB RAM with 16 GB internal storage. This is a 4K VA panel with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. Dolby Vision and HDR10 support, two-way Bluetooth support, dual band Wi-Fi support 2.4 and 5 GHz, 60 watt sound output powered by JBL speakers, Dolby Atmos support and the latest Android TV 11 OS. Alright, so we have boot up the TV and we can see the Nokia TV blue screen followed by the new Android TV animation. Setup process should take a couple of minutes. Alright, there we go, we are set up and ready to use. Standard Android TV interface, app row on the top followed by the row of content of popular apps below. You can see that we have Netflix, Fastcast, now this is a casting app which I shall cover in just a minute. Then Prime Videos, YouTube. Let's quickly check out the Android version number in the settings. There you go, it's running Android 11. Also let's check the storage. So we get about 8.3 GB of usable space, which is kind of surprising. About 7.7 GB is taken up with the apps and OS. Then going to the app launcher, we see the pre-installed Netflix app, followed by Fastcast. Inside here on the first tab, you can see the apps that support Chromecast. So you can directly cast content from these apps using your phone. Then iPhone Share, so you can mirror iPhone. Okay, go to the control center on your iPhone, then to AirPlay. You can see Fastcast, click, and you'll see your phone's display mirrored. Now there is a noticeable lag, but it works. It's decent if you want to show a picture, a website, a document on the big screen. Then Cast Media is to mirror Android devices. Simply download the Fastcast app from the Play Store, follow the steps and you'll see your Android phone mirrored on the big screen. The good thing is that's really smooth, also mirrored video from it and it played really well. Further you can see mirror a Windows PC to the TV as well, and finally hotspot option for lag-free mirroring. Then we have the other apps, but the thing that got my attention the most is the Audio Connect app. Now here you can see two Bluetooth options. First is to connect any Bluetooth earphone or speaker to enjoy audio wirelessly. That's the exact same Bluetooth function that we've seen on other smart TVs. But the second one is that you can pair your phone's Bluetooth to your TV and listen to the music. Just go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and connect. Once done, any audio from your phone will play on the TV. Here's a quick demo. Alright, time to check out the display. Now here's a 4K video playing on YouTube and it looks absolutely stunning. It's clear and really crisp. Nokia claims 400 nits of peak brightness and I can surely say it's truly bright, which only adds to the detail and contrast. Here's a quick demo video showing the brightest whites and the deepest blacks in the same frame. The whites really lit up the room. Blacks, however, aren't the deepest, but they're quite good. I did notice some mild light bleed once in a while, but nothing too drastic. The color reproduction is more tuned to look natural and true to life, which doesn't mean it's dull. In fact, they're really easy on the eyes. You can tune it further in the picture settings and change it from standard to dynamic to movie as per your preference. I'm sure you can notice the difference. I'd say it provides a pretty satisfying experience. The TV also supports MEMC. Now if you dig inside the picture settings, you can see motion compensation is set to high. So it's super smooth videos. Perfect for sports and casual viewing. But I suggest you turn it to low or off while watching movies to get titles on Netflix. You can see Dolby Vision Atmos logo on the top, playing some videos, and the experience was really good. Sometimes you've seen Dolby Vision content looks dull, but on the new Nokia TV, I can confidently say it's bright and colorful. Also played several 4K videos from my pen drive on the TV's default media player, and each one played with audio perfectly. Thanks to USB 3.0, loading video files is also super fast and quick. Tested MKV, MOV and MP4 formats and they all played without any hiccups. Let's check out the set-top box and let's start with SD channels. I can't say they are the most amazing, but still very much viewable. Sadly, a lot of set-top box channels aren't still available in full HD, so we have to make do with SD channels, and they're pretty fine. But HD channels are just perfect. There's a stark difference in detail and color. If you're someone who watches a lot of HD channels, you're simply going to love it. Coming to the performance, so I can say that the overall user experience was really smooth. I didn't experience any lag or app crashes. The TV also comes with the Google Play Store. Of course, it feels laggy initially, but quickly catches up. Personally, I've experienced similar lag on Play Store on other TVs as well. This app really needs to be optimized. You can download tons of apps from here: Sony Live, Disney Hotstar, Alt Balaji, Apple TV. Also in the Games tab, there are a lot of games. Some of them will work with the TV's remote, while some would need a gamepad. Here's a quick demo of Crossy Road, and it played pretty smoothly. Alright, coming to the sound. So it comes with 60 watt sound output with speakers powered by JBL. It also comes with Dolby Atmos support, and that's exactly why we see the Atmos logo on the Netflix app as well. But remember, you'll have to go to the audio settings and turn on surround and Dolby Atmos. So if you have a 5.1 audio system, you turn on surround. If you have an Atmos soundbar, then you turn on Atmos. Further, you have many options below, including an option to custom set the equalizer. Alright, time for that quick demo. So firstly, they get really loud, and it creates a theater kind of vibe thanks to its surround effect. It's great to watch movies, especially those action kind of movies. Overall, the audio fidelity is pretty good for built-in TV speakers. Many of you who buy this TV might not even need an external soundbar or home theater system. Now I can say that the JBL speakers on this TV will surely not disappoint. Coming to the cons, well, if I had to nitpick something, it's probably that it doesn't come with hands-free Google Voice Assistant. Now we've been seeing that feature in many TVs this year, but it's not a deal breaker. You do get the Google Voice Assistant on the remote, and you can ask it to do all the usual stuff, like ask it for the weather, ask it to open apps, and all that works flawlessly. The Nokia 4K TV ticks all the boxes that you look for in a smart TV. It's priced at $49,999, which might be a little more considering there are 55-inch Android TVs for lesser. But surely, they don't have 60 watt JBL speakers and no two-way Bluetooth, which by the way is such an underrated feature. There are a couple of bank and card offers as well, which will bring the price down. I'll leave the link of this TV in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers!